Okay, here we go for the fourth and final flight of the day. Lost track a little bit of the time. It's currently just after 7 in the evening. Really need me not to use it away from home too much, or else that'll make it difficult for the weekend. Well, it's much better with that rear battery position. So it wasn't the wind, or it was obviously that. So battery needs to be further back, so C or G position. Still very noddy, as you can see. That's a little bit scary, to say the least, to be doing that. Don't like it at all. Whatever it was, I suppose the battery position again, be not right. You can leave your comments in the bottom if you like for what it could be. I'd be very happy to know why it's doing what it's doing. The nodding, that is. Let's try another run. Downwind it's alright. Another look upwind. Already it's starting, so it's definitely not liking to go too fast into wind. It's upsetting something. The L is still in full control. I just believe it may be the condition or the GPS or the stabilisation system. Okay, if anybody knows that's watching, just leave us a comment in the bottom. It's a bit nerve-wracking. I'm doing it at a lower forward speed, so I'll just keep it at the lower forward speed. Just to be sure there's nothing untoward. And he's coping with it, so yeah, I forgot again to do the timer. I thought I had, but I haven't. So, but anyway, let's try a orbital. Come out to that while it's happening. Not quite a full one, but that was me. When you first look at helicopters like this, or drones and that, you just think the more automated stuff on it the better, the least I've got to do, but can't see me using those functions much into the future. nice approach landing. A little bit of forward movement while it's coming down. I bought a scale helicopter, or scale fuselage, sorry for it. So I would like to get a bit more proficient with the scale flying. Move back a little bit while it's in return to home mode. Come a little bit over his head and then head away from us. It's lining up nicely in, let's say, the same position as it set off. There we are, 4 successful flights. Yay!